Welcome to our journey of discovery. Today, we will explore the mystical realm of spirit animals and learn how to find yours. Spirit animals are powerful spiritual guides that offer wisdom, protection, and insight. Everyone has a spirit animal, a creature that resonates with your inner spirit and life path. But how do you find yours? Here are some steps to guide you on this journey. Step 1. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature, whether it's a forest, a park, or by the ocean. Pay attention to the animals you encounter and how they make you feel. Step 2. Meditate and reflect. Find a quiet place where you can meditate. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and clear your mind. Ask yourself, what animal do I feel drawn to? Trust your intuition. Step 3. Journaling. Write down your thoughts and any animal encounters you have. Over time, you may notice a pattern or a recurring animal in your life. Step 4. Research. Learn about different spirit animals and their meanings. There are many resources available, including books and online guides that can help you understand the symbolism of various animals. Step 5. Be open to signs. Your spirit animal may appear to you in dreams, visions, or real-life encounters. Be open and receptive to these signs. Finding your spirit animal is a deeply personal and spiritual journey. Trust the process and let your spirit guide you. Allow the music to connect you with the essence of your spirit animal. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your spirit animal bring you wisdom, strength, and guidance.